Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use the Matplotlib library in Python. Basically it's a low-level graph plotting library that you can use just to create little graphs and that. So first of all what we need to do is install it through pip. So this is the command to install it through pip here. So go to your command line, type in pip install Matplotlib. Once you've done that, then you need to import this in here. So import that module in, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create a function. I've called it plot line, and then we use plt.plot, and then I'm going to put in some parameters here. So I'm just simply doing 10, 20 and 30. Then we use plt.show. This will actually show the graph on the screen, and then all we do is we call the program here. So this is just a very simple example just to whet your appetite a little bit more. I might be actually making more videos on this in the future. We shall see, we shall see. Okay, let's just run this program. And there you go. There is the graph. So we did it from 10 to 30. There we go, basic. Okay, that's the end of the video. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to this video, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.